ProTrader has a very easy to use trade visualizer that helps you manage your trades once you're in them. Once you've got your setup, simply go to the left-hand panel and click this option here. Once you've got it, you simply go to your chart, click where you'd like your initial stop loss. For example, for this Tesla trade, if your stop loss is say above the high of the day of 31st of January, you click that high, then you drag it down. Now, you set your profit target wherever you want. For example, let's say the profit target based on the depth of that pattern is 259.50. Drag it down to 259.50. Then you can drag it up to where the price currently is. So let's say you're halfway through this trade and the price is at about $314. You can click that and you can see that from your initial stop loss, it's 33.52% of a move that would get you stopped out, and it's just 18.42% of a move that would hit your profit target. Obviously, your stop loss is probably going to be moved down, so you can simply grab the top of it and move it down. Let's say you want to move it just above that pivot there from the day of the 19th of Feb. You can drag it to there, and now you can see your stop loss is 16.6% away, and your profit target is obviously still 18.4% away. It's as simple as that. Really helps you manage a trade once you're in it. Any questions, never hesitate to email support@protrader.com.au.